Hey everyone, my name is Rob with DEWALT Anchors and Fasteners. Today we're going to walk through how to install DEWALT Concrete HangerMate Plus anchors. Please note that this is not a substitution for the product instruction manual. All users of the products in this video need to read the instruction manual prior to any use of the products and installation of DEWALT anchoring systems. The first thing we'll discuss is personal protective equipment, known as PPE. Always wear all the appropriate ANSI or NIOSH rated PPE. Reference the DEWALT instruction manual as well as your company's safety guidelines to determine the appropriate PPE depending on the tool, anchor, and application you'll be doing. When installing DEWALT anchors, it's important to always wear eye protection, gloves, and use the proper dust extraction equipment. First, using the proper drill bit size, drill a hole into the base material to the required depth. The tolerances of the drill bit used should meet the requirements of ANSI standard B212.15. Next, remove the dust and debris from the hole during drilling. For example, you could use a dust extractor, suction, or forced air. Another option is to use a DEWALT Perform Protect SDS Plus rotary hammer drill with onboard dust collection. Then select a powered impact wrench or a torque wrench. Do not exceed the maximum torque respectively for the selected anchor diameter and embedment. Attach the appropriately sized hex socket to the wrench. Mount the screw anchor head into the socket. Drive the anchor with an impact wrench or a torque wrench through the fixture and into the hole until the head of the anchor comes in contact with the member surface. Do not spin the hex socket off of the anchor to disengage. Insert the threaded rod or the threaded bolt element into the HangerMate Plus. That's it. You're all set to install DEWALT Concrete HangerMate Plus anchors.